What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We're switching it up a little bit this time. We actually just came across, I think it's 6 classic Jeeps. We got 2 J10s, a couple of Cherokee Chiefs, and a couple of Wagoneers. This to me was the coolest one. It's a 78, I believe, Jeep J10. It's got a 360, supposed to be built 360 V8 with a 4-speed. It's got a pretty big lift and it's on 38-inch Super Swampers. It has, none of them have ran in at least 3 years. We don't know how long this one's been sitting. We're assuming 3 to 5 years, something like that, but it hadn't been cleaned or anything else like that. So first order of business, I guess we'll go ahead and pressure wash it off because it's got some like fungus and stuff growing on it back there, but we'll go ahead and get it cleaned up and then throw a battery in it, check the fluids and stuff, and try to fire it up, see what it does. So I guess we'll go ahead and get started cleaning it. We'll go ahead and try to put a battery in it. I probably have too much faith in this thing, but I really feel like if we put a battery in it, it's just gonna fire right up. But we'll go ahead and see what happens. That battery's from 2015. Got lights coming on. Well, it spins over. Let me go get some like carb cleaner and spray in there and see if it'll at least like get it to go. My fat ass can't reach up there. Close the choke on it. I thought I could find a cable in there, but I can't find out where it goes. Huh. See if that does anything. Tank says it's empty too, so might need to go get some gas. get a couple gallons of gas in it now. Let's see what it does. Well, the tank was supposedly totally empty, so it might take a while to pump it up to the carb. Try to spin it over while I spray fuel in there. Please.
Crank it?
Yep.
Hold on to it or let it go?
Yeah, hold on to it. Give it a little bit of gas. Just a little bit.
Didn't get it fast enough. And?
I don't know if that fuel pump's pumping. Might need to like pull it off. Just give it a little bit of gas.
I mean, I kind of tried. There's like no in between.
Let me try it. See, it's once it gets done with the carb cleaner, it just shuts off. It's like it's not pumping up there. I guess I can take the fuel line off and see if it's pumping.
Is that hard?
No. I don't think it's pumping fuel. I feel like it should have sucked up whatever's going to suck up and be like something coming out up here, you know what I mean? I'm going to spin over a little bit more. And let me know if you start to see it coming out. I'm not going to do it for a while, I'm just going to do it for a minute. Nothing? Nothing? Yeah, something's
Clogged up?
Pickup's clogged up, or we got like a hose before the fuel pump that's broken or something like that. I'll have to do some more looking on it. Fuel pump looks fairly new. That doesn't mean anything. I mean, new, relatively speaking. The motor actually looks pretty new too. Alright, I'm gonna follow the lines back, see if I can find a broken rubber hose. It may have been so empty that like that gallon and a half's just not enough to pick up. I don't know. We'll see. I think I found the problem. It looks like all the lines come back here to this electric pump. It doesn't, it's not even going to, man, this is ghetto. This is not right. I'm wondering if it can't suck it past that pump, if that pump's like supposed to be on or something. That's why it's not running right there. That's 100% why it's not running. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this is just a temporary deal, just trying to make something run. They got like these little alligator clips, like just to hook it up to a battery or something, I would guess. I don't know. I think we need to do away with all this crap right here and see where we're at. And then if it doesn't start from there, we'll just put a new mechanical pump on it. Do it the right way. So we weren't planning on doing two parts on this one. We were just hoping that we'd throw a battery in it and drive down the road. But we'll go ahead and get a new mechanical pump. and get it installed on the next video, and hopefully get it going from there. Obviously it runs, so I think once it gets fuel, that'll pretty much be it. So we'll do that in the next video and hopefully drive it down the road, see how it does. We'll see y'all next time. Thank you.